we are now 21st century. Time always moving. With new time, new reality there. So we have to accept the new reality. Facing new reality, but our perception is old thinking. Then, you see, I think a lot of problem, unnecessary problem, you see, happen. So we must act according new reality. Otherwise, you see, there's a gap, our perception and the reality gap. So then, all our efforts become unrealistic. So therefore, I think now, serious interest about global warming or environment issue, I think now this is one hopeful sign. Now, I think the taking care about our only home, this planet, is not just government's responsibility. All humanity, all individuals have the responsibility. And then, I always telling, the war, bloodshed, immediately striking in our mind. But the damaging the ecology or these global sort of the warming, these things, without much sort of obvious, but invisibly, you see, month by month, decay. So once we feel some difficulties to breathing, difficulties to eyes, and particularly children, then maybe too late. So therefore, this is something very serious, and then each of us, 7 billion human beings, taking care about global these global issues should be part of our life. So in our daily life, always keep some sort of serious sort of thinking. If I do this, it eventually some effect. So if I do one single person, then other 10 people, 100 people, 100,000, then so change start from individual. Then you see effect